In this video, we're going to take a look at how to look at your Amazon chat history. Now, if you're on the customer service page, just by going to your account dropdown and then clicking customer service here at the bottom, you might see a back to chat button. You might not though. And the quickest way to get directly to the chat is this one link click solution I put in the description down below. It's an affiliate link to help support the channel, but it will take you directly to Amazon chat. If you don't want to click that, then go to the customer service page here and click help something else or help with something else. If you don't want to maybe talk to them about a certain product. And so what we're going to do is try to get the chat dialog popped up. And down here in the lower right, we have another something else button. So we're just going to keep clicking that whole help with something else. I need more help set of options. So we see I need more help right here. When we click on that, it's probably going to pop open the Amazon chat. And what you can do is continue or just start a new chat. And as soon as you start a new chat, you can actually scroll up and it's going to load all of your previous messages. I think it probably goes back about 6 months or so, but there's a bunch of previous chat messages that you can go through and read or copy paste things if you want to reference something. But that's how you can get back to your chat history with Amazon customer service.